So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a green lantern ring. So start by taking a scrap piece of 2 or 3 millimeter craft foam and just get something small and circular to trace. I'm just using a cap off of a bottle. And then you just want to draw little wings out from the side. You want them to be fairly long to make sure they'll be able to go around your fingers. And I'm just doing these freehand, they don't have to be perfect. And so then just cut out that shape and bend it around your middle finger, and then mark where the two pieces come together and cut those to size. So it should fit right around your finger then. So then get yourself a piece of cardboard and the same circular thing you traced before, trace that again and cut that out with a pair of scissors. And that should fit right on the other circle on your piece of craft foam. So you just want to take a little bit of hot glue and glue that right in place on the center of the craft foam. So then flip your craft foam over, run a little glue along the two edges, or at least one of the edges, put the two edges together. That way you'll have your little ring. So then just take some school glue and you want to paint 3 coats of that onto the ring. You'll cover both the foam and the cardboard, going all the way around. And after the 3rd coat is dried, give it a coating of metallic silver paint. And then just take some green ribbon. This is a scrap from Christmas ribbon. So put a little glue on the back of that, and glue that onto the center circle on the top side of the ring. And then just cut that off so it's in the same shape as the circle on top. So there's a little green circle on top of the ring. Then I took some silver adhesive foil. You can also just use paint if you want, but cut out the green lantern symbol. If you're using foil, you can also use tinfoil and glue, or again just paint it on, but I'm using the silver adhesive foil because it's convenient and I have lots of scraps. So put that in the center, and then I cut a circle out of the silver adhesive foil and just place that around the outside. And then the green lantern ring is done. Now let's see if it works. Brightest day or darkest night, no evil shall escape my... Hey! My precious.